Good afternoon, this is Kyle and David with Western Material Handling. We are excited to test drive stock number 2306, awesome operating MEC 2033 electric scissor lift. This is a heavy duty style electric scissor lift. Has a aluminum diamond plated floor, therefore no rust. It's an 800-pound capacity. Will go 20 feet high with approximately 26 feet of working height. Is 33 inches wide. The railings collapse down for you to actually go through any doorway possible. Has excellent non-marking cushion style tires. Has recently installed new 24-volt battery system. Has an onboard 110 charger as well. Recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job, ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either of our stores in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. Thank you so much for watching.